processing this request, they may need to connect like their internal tools. Okay, so for that we are going to use MCP tools. Okay, so these are one of the use case. You can see that. Now let us see other scenarios. So if you observe same scenario, just see another same scenario, agent related scenario. Okay. Multiple agents. Just now here we mentioned different organizations, right? Just see within the organization, just see. So they are trying to contact multiple agents to see. So one of the person, he's trying to purchase laptop, okay, under some 60,000 price. He needs some reviews with reviews. Okay. For that, so we are asking agent, and he's trying to reach multiple agents here. Search agent, filter agent, review agent, order agent, right? And end of the day, orchestrator aggregators and response to the user as well. So whatever top 3 laptops with price plus rating, it is trying to publish that. And if you observe this